travelers, what's up? It is Keisha with Keylinks Travel Life, and today I am going to give you a special room tour. I am in beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yes, it is my first time in Jamaica, y'all, and I am so excited. Can't wait to show you the room that I'm in. My business partner, unfortunately, isn't coming until tomorrow. You never know what's gonna happen, but things do happen when it comes to travel. So we are going to be staying in this room is the Hyatt Zilara in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is a ocean view room. So it's been a long day, but I wanted to get the room tour out to you all just so you could see it. I have more things that are going to be coming in the next couple of days, hopefully. A few things may have to wait till I get back home. So I am going to show you the room. So I'm going to turn it around. I'm at the entrance. So this is where you come in. Okay, and this is like, you know, adjoining room. So you can do that if you wanted to. So as you come in, off to the right is the bathroom. So we will start there. All right, so you have this really nice shower with the rain spout. They have their shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Really nice size shower. Let me just open this with a glass door just so you can kind of see. Yeah, you can get, you can get two people in there. And then right next to it is the powder room, a double sink setting here. They do have a dryer and a scale. I don't know what that's all about. I'm not sure. Have you ever seen a scale in a bathroom? A resort? This is an all-inclusive resort, so I've never seen that before, but all good. Back to the video. All right, so you do get two mirrors. They have some goodies here, shower cap. Let's see, a vanity kit and a sewing kit, which is really cool. Some body lotion, some soap. Yes, this is my bath bomb from Basin from Disney Springs. Yes, I did bring a bath bomb. Y'all don't judge me. And a magnifying mirror for makeup. A really nice size tub for relaxation. And that bath bomb, yes, is going to be going in there. So it's really pretty. I love the marble look to that. All right, so then here, right across from the bathroom, is a really huge closet with a safe, and you can program your own code. Several shelves here for storing any of your goodies. And then on this side, right next to it, is a closet where you can hang your different items, shirts, dresses, things like that. And you can put your suitcases in here as well. There's an iron. And then you get there should be two really nice bathrobes. So that'll be nice to have breakfast and sit out on the balcony. Yes, and because it's a all-inclusive resort, they do have 24-hour room service, which is nice. So you can order anything that you want to the room anytime that you want. So I love that feature. So I might just have some room service for breakfast and sit out on the balcony. But it is nighttime, so I will probably show you that tomorrow, maybe if I'm having breakfast, or maybe in the morning before I go to my first session. So I am here for business. I am a travel agent, travel advisor. So I am here for our romance event. So I'll tell you more about that later. Back to the room. All right, so two really nice sized beds, and they come with these little decoration situation here. It's giving me carnival towel animal vibes, but I don't know, I think it's pretty. Some really nice artwork. All right, in the middle we have clock, phone, couple outlets, USB ports, and a light. So if you want to read at night, you can pull those out for lighting. The phone, and then over here, it's a nice sitting area. You have a nice table if you want to eat breakfast here. A huge mirror. Okay. All right. We're not even going to talk about that. A really nice size TV. I love that TV size. Perfect for a room of this size. And a bench here for your luggage if you want to put your suitcases there. And I believe these are drawers down here. I believe. Oh yeah, awesome. So if you wanted to put some items in the drawers, you can do that as well. I love those self-closing. We have a couple of glasses and a little mini bar with coffee. I believe there was some tea here. Yes, there's different teas and coffee. And I just love our travel agency. They sent some little refreshments, little goodies to the room. You can see that there. I know it's a little bit dark. I don't know where the light is for this section. But that is our Love is in the Air event that we're doing this weekend. And a couple of goodies. Again, don't judge me. They are made out of chocolate. Isn't that cute? So yes, I did try them. They are made out of chocolate. And then in here is a little refrigerator cooler. And they do restock this every day. So you are welcome to drink and be merry. And they will restock it in the morning or early afternoon. I just thought that was so cute. The little sign. And it even has the little kickstand in the back. I don't know if you can see if that'll focus. There we go. Love is in the air. That's so cute. All right, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Oh, I'm gonna show you something else. So we got our little goodie bags for this event. So check it out. All right, so these are the little gift bags that we got inside. We got a bag of coffee. My mom's gonna love that. Anytime I go somewhere out of the country, I always bring her coffee back, and she just loves having different coffees and to try them out. We got some jerk seasoning. Cool beans. I can't wait to taste that. I bet that's delicious. Also, we got some Kingston 62 Jamaican gold rum. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to finish that before I leave. What else is in here? Oh, this is a map of the resort. So this is like a layout. They gave this to us at check-in. So we know exactly where to go and where things are. I honestly thought it was gonna be a little bit difficult learning the lay of the land, but it's been pretty easy. So we have a booklet of our retreat and the different sessions for this weekend. What is this? Live Jamaica. Oh, this is different excursions and things to do. Shopping, little booklet. This is the spa. So some of the spa services that they offer here. Cool. And it's called the Zen Spa. And this is the little bag that it came in. Jamaica. I thought that was really cute. Really, really nice. Agency, they take good care of us. So that is the room. I am going to be here until Sunday. So I hope to have some other footage to put up for you all. So I will probably put this up first and just enjoy the rest of my time. I am exhausted. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. But safe travels. Getting here was absolutely pretty easy. There was some traffic backed up for a little bit, but no complaining. I leave early for a reason, in case that does happen. So if you don't learn anything from me, leave early, okay? Don't wait till the last minute. Oh, I have TSA pre-check. Things can happen. So you want to make sure you are leaving early and you are on time for your flight. That's one thing we are not going to do, is miss our flight. We might be late to work. We might be late picking up the kids, but we are not going to miss our flight. Okay, so we want to get up and get there on time. So on my flight, I took my first flight in business class. It was absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed it. Spoiled myself a little bit. So that was nice. And well, I will show you the balcony tomorrow. Good night.